Under this bit, you are given an advertisement which you have to read thoroughly and understand it. You will be given 6 questions, out of which you have to attempt 4. 4 questions carry 4 marks. Let us now first see what an advertisement is. Advertisement is anything that promotes something or creates awareness of something. At first, advertisement promotes something or creates awareness of something. The first type of advertisements, the advertisements which are issued to promote a product, a service, etc. For example, you see a number of advertisements on TV which promote soaps, biscuits, chocolates, etc. These are called commercial advertisements. These are issued by companies with the intention of promoting their products. The second type of advertisements are issued to create awareness among people regarding something. For example, South Central Railway issues advertisements stating how to reserve online tickets, or it issues advertisements stating what to carry, what not to carry during train journeys. Nowadays, at this present time, governments, non-government organizations are issuing number of advertisements stating or requesting people what to do, what not to do during this corona crisis. These are called non-commercial advertisements. Non-commercial advertisements are issued by governments or non-governmental organizations, not by the companies. Let us now see a model advertisement. Here is the picture of the advertisement of Aadhaar card. Unique Identification Authority of India, Planning Commission, Government of India. This is the agency which issued the advertisement. Here is the full picture of the full size of the Aadhaar card. Always carry your Aadhaar with you and avail benefits of various services. This is the lower part of the Aadhaar card. The Aadhaar card has 2 parts, upper part and lower part. On the upper part you see the address, and the lower part you see the picture of the Aadhaar card holder. Cut this portion of Aadhaar letter and carry it with you. You may get it laminated too. Between the upper part and the lower part there is a perforated section. Along with the perforated section you can cut the Aadhaar card and get the lower part laminated. You can conveniently carry the lower part of the Aadhaar card because it contains both the address and photo. The address you see on the upper part is printed at the back side of the lower part of the Aadhaar card. Here is the Aadhaar logo. Under the Aadhaar logo you see the address of the website www.uidai.gov.in. Aadhaar, your proof of identity and proof of address. Aadhaar is a proof of identity because it contains the picture of the Aadhaar card holder, and it is a proof of address as it contains the address of the Aadhaar card holder. So the Aadhaar card is a proof of identity and proof of address. This is the Aadhaar number 4444 5555 6666. So there are 12 digits in an Aadhaar number. Let us now see the questions and answers. The first question is, what is the name of the identity card that all Indians are advised to carry with them? The answer is Aadhaar card. The second question is, name the issuing authority of Aadhaar. Answer is Unique Identification Authority of India. The third question is, how many digits are there in an Aadhaar number? Answer is 12 digits. Generally, every Aadhaar card contains 12 digits. The fourth question is, what is the website of Aadhaar? Answer is www.uidai.gov.in. Now the fifth question is, which part of the Aadhaar letter can we cut and get laminated, the upper or lower? The answer is the lower part. Now the sixth question, Aadhaar is a proof of dash and dash. Fill in these two blanks. The first blank is identity. The second blank is address. Aadhaar is a proof of identity and proof of address. I think now you have understood how to read an advertisement. I will now show you the pictures of remaining advertisements. Take the screenshots of the each and every advertisement and try to answer the questions. It's all for today. Have a good day.